The remote handheld unit has three primary purposes. The first is to provide the driver a manual brake override as required by law. The second purpose is to give the driver an indication of what is happening within the trailer braking system and to assure a positive electrical connection between the tow vehicle and trailer. The third purpose of the handheld remote is to adjust the amount of power output delivered from the trailer-mounted module to the trailer brakes during a braking event. Pairing a Prodigy RF remote handheld to the power module is very much like adapting a remote to a garage door opener. This is how it's done. First, be sure that the trailer-mounted power module's 7-way plug is securely inserted into the tow vehicle's connector. Second, if it's not already disconnected, disconnect the trailer's 7-way cable from the Prodigy RF trailer-mounted power module. Now start the vehicle's engine. After the engine is started, plug the handheld unit into any 12-volt auxiliary power port within easy reach of the driver or operator. Dial the power wheel located on the right side of the handheld unit downward to its minimum position. You will see either flashing zeros or N.C in the display. Now simultaneously depress and hold both the manual override located on the left side of the unit and the boost button located on the upper right-hand corner near the display. Once the two buttons are depressed, the display will begin a countdown starting with P5 down to PA. After the PA becomes visible, the manual override and boost button can be released. Press and hold the vehicle brake pedal. The display should change from PA to flashing zeros. This will indicate that the units are paired correctly and that the vehicle brake pedal can be released. Now dial the power wheel up to an output greater than minimum. Since the trailer's 7-way plug is not connected to the trailer-mounted power module, you should see a flashing NC. The last step in the process is to firmly connect the trailer's 7-way connector to the rear of the power module. The remote handheld display will now show a .C for proper connection. This indicates that the remote handheld unit can see the electrical connection to the trailer. It is important to know that the Prodigy RF will still work and apply your trailer's brakes if the remote handheld unit is accidentally disconnected from the 12-volt auxiliary port. It is the power supplied through the 7-way vehicle connection and the sensor located in the trailer-mounted module that actuate the trailer brakes, not the radio frequency used to set the proper power level at the beginning of your trip, nor the return signal that indicates your braking status. If by chance your handheld unit does become disconnected, the trailer brakes will be applied according to the last delivery power command sent from the handheld unit. One more important note. You can pair any number of handheld devices to a single power module. Each will work exclusively with their assigned module and no other unless the pairing procedure is performed with another system. This prevents the possibility of interaction between separate trailers while on the road. If you have questions or need more specific information, please either refer to the installation and owner's guide enclosed with your control or call us. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the road.